What is the use of local.settings.json file? In a project, you need to set some values from configuration file as its value changes for different environment. For example, for dev, stage and prod, you use the different database. In Azure function, you can set these environment variables in local.settings.json file. For example, one need to set the different connection string for different environment. One need to set different file path for different environment. So you can manage these values in your local.settings.json file. This is our HTTP trigger Azure function. So this is the local.settings.json file. These are the default configuration provided by the template. If I want to create my custom environment variable like deployment environment, putting it as dev, I'm removing this code where deployment location getting the value from environment variable. So same value you have to give here. Okay. So I'm getting the deployment environment from the local.settings.json file and putting a condition if deployment location dot equals, if it is coming from dev, then I want to log information. This is a dev environment. Okay, else not a dev environment. Okay, so suppose I want to log this information. As of now, I can mark it completed. So okay, I have created a deployment location variable. We are getting the value from local.settings.json file and just comparing it with the value dev, and if it is equal to dev, then we are printing it is coming from dev environment, else it is not coming from dev environment. Let me run this. Okay, so it has started the Azure console application. It's loading the configuration details. This is the URL. Let me open it in browser. Okay, let me see the log information. So you can see here, this is a dev environment. So it's picking the value from local.settings.json file. We can use this local.settings.json file to read different key values like connection string or file path or some other keys that's value changes with the different environment.